Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn subject-verb agreement. So let's start. First of all, let me tell you what is subject-verb agreement. Just listen to the example. I want to play chess. He wants to play chess. Here I am using want with I and wants with he. So this is the verb want and wants that is changing according to the subject. So there is a pact, there's an agreement with subject and the verb, that is called subject verb agreement. So let's start. Get all the rules of them. So get all the rules of that. Look at the first one. Two singular subjects connected with by or nor required a singular verb. So when two subjects, those are singular, are just connected with or nor, they are just going to use singular verb. Just look at the example. Yatin or Jatin is arriving by train. So here Yatin and Jatin are two subjects, those are just connected with or. That's why we are using is according to the rule. Get to the next point. Two singular subjects connected by either or neither nor require a singular verb as in the rule given. For example, either Bebu or Chan is arriving by train today. Neither Yatin nor Jatin is helping today with stage decoration. So here Chan and Bebu are two subjects, those are connected with either or. That's why we are using is. The same in the next example. Get to the next one. When is one of the two subjects connected by either or neither nor, put it second and follow it with the singular verb am. For example, neither she nor I am going to school today. So when two subjects are just connected with neither and nor, and we will have to see that the closer subject is I when we are going to use am with I. Get to the next point. When a singular subject is connected by or nor to a plural subject, put the plural subject last and use a plural verb. The woman or her children get to eat meal. So look at the rule. When a singular subject is connected by or nor to a plural subject, put the plural subject last and use a plural verb. So when you got two subjects, those are connected with or nor, you will have to put the plural subjects at the last and just use a plural verb. Get to the next point. When a singular and plural subjects are connected by either or neither nor, put the plural subjects last and use a plural verb. So when a singular or plural subjects are connected with either or nor, you will have to just put the subjects at the last and use a plural verb. Look at the example. Neither Jatin nor his friends are playing. So here we have put the plural subjects at the last and using are just with that. Look at the next point. As a general rule, use a plural verb with two or more subjects when they are connected by a. So when two subjects are connected by a and we are using and as a conjunction, we are going to just put a plural verb for them. Look at the example. A car and a bike are the gifts and I got for my 21st birthday.